What up, gang, and welcome back. Orange halo eye, kind of purple, kind of theme, kind of look. Well, stay tuned for the whole video to watch this look and how I did it.
Oh, we get lost in the night. We living in life, we don't live it twice, so we gon' get right. Oh, yeah.
What's good, y'all? I'm gonna show you how I did my makeup today, and I used the Zulu Palette. I actually just got this today in the mail earlier. I be stopping my sentences because I know I'm finna cuss. I'm fun. It's like a fool right now. Obviously, I don't have my makeup done. I only have concealer. I already concealed my lids. And speaking of concealer, I used this Booing concealer in the color number 2. You know how that go. And I did my brows with this e.l.f. dip brow in the color medium brown, and I used this e.l.f. brush. It's an angled brush to shape my brows, and I used this brush and Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color tan to conceal and sculpt my brows to make them hoes sharp as hell. Feels mother weird. I'm gonna go ahead and set the concealer with this Morphe 03M. No, my 350M palette. I'm gonna use the color close to the concealer color. I'm just gonna use to set it. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with my Sephora brush in the number 31. It's kind of like a stiffer type of blending brush. Now I'm gonna go into my Zulu palette and get this nice sunsetty orange. And we're gonna do kind of like a halo eye today, is what I'm thinking. Ooh, ooh, yeah. I'm ugly as hell for that. But I'm just gonna apply it on the outer corners of my eye. I'm not gonna be too worried about blending right now. I just kind of want to stack on the color. Alright, now that I got my orange on the outer corner of my eye and the inner corner of my eye and above my crease line, I'm gonna go in with this yellow at the top to blend out that orange. Actually, I'm gonna go in with the Sonia Kashuk brush. I got this brush at Target, but it's gonna stiffer than the brush I was just using. I don't want to blend just yet. I kind of want to pack on this yellow color also. And I'm gonna go back with that blending brush I used for the yellow and try to blend out the yellow. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into that same Morphe palette and get this darker kind of burnt orange. And I'm gonna put this in my inner corner and also a little lower than this orange I have in. I use a different color, a different brush for different colors because it won't look too weird. Now that my orange and yellow is pretty blended out, I'm about to go in with this Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C1. I just got this today too in the mail. I like a really light concealer so the colors show underneath, show on top way nicer. And I'm about to cut the crease down the middle and create a horizon. I'm gonna go back into the Juvia's palette and use this yellow. I'm using a different brush, a clean brush to do this. What I might do is apply the yellow all over for now, because I will be adding a gold on top, so they could be done for the base color. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that same brush I used for the color orange and go in with the orange around the edges to kind of blend that yellow in. And I'm gonna go back into that Morphe palette and get that dark red, not darker red, that kind of burnt orange, and go and kind of deepen it. I'll outline my halo eye with this loose glitter by NYX, and this is in the color 5. It's gold, not glue gold, but I'm using this Too Faced Gold by Too Faced Glitter Glue. So what I'm gonna do is take the glitter glue, put it on my hand, apply it to where I want it, wait till it gets tacky, and apply the glitter. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this lighter shimmery color from the Morphe palette and just bring it in to brighten up that halo right down the center. To deepen the inner and outer corners a little more, I'm just gonna go in with this dark brown in the Zulu palette and do that. And I'm going in with this Real Techniques brush, just a little blending brush. Okay, so that brown wasn't doing very much for me, so I'm gonna go into the Modern Renaissance palette and grab this brown. It's a little more pigmented, I think. Let's see. Okay, there you go. That's the pigment I was looking for. And then I'm gonna go in with this brush I used for the red and make sure I'm blending out that dark brown. Blending it out. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and put on lashes and I'll be right the fuck back. Alright, I just finished my other eye. Look at it. This wasn't even the look I'm going for, but I'll take it. That whole hurt. Oh my god, that hurt. Like, that hurt bad. But I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with the Smashbox Radiance Primer. Okay, now I got glitter all over my motherfucking face. But I'm about to go in with this Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 410. This is a little too dark, so I'm gonna mix it with the lighter foundation and a beauty blender. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll beat the fuck out of my face. Okay, now I'm gonna conceal my under eyes or my highlighted areas with the LA Pro Conceal in the color Creamy Beige. Okay, now I'm gonna set my face with the Revolution setting powder, banana powder. I don't know if it has a color, but I'm gonna use my beauty blender and just go underneath my eyes and everywhere I just highlighted. Now I'm going to use a Fenty contour stick in the color Truffle to go ahead and contour my face. When I contour, I kind of bring it up higher above where, you know, the duck lip usually goes. I bring it up higher just because it brings a sharper contour. I use the back of my beauty blender to blend that out. Alright, my ugly ass. I just went ahead and added these lashes. These lashes are from 7 Mile. They're called Fab Lashes in the AE12. They're from 7 Mile. I bet they were like $4. They were nice as fuck. But I went ahead and also wiped off my powder. And I'm just gonna go in over my contour with the Anastasia contour kit in the color medium to tan, and take these 2 dark colors with this blush brush by e.l.f. and go ahead and contour. We'll set my contour, but it kind of adds a contour also. For my under, I'm gonna go back into the Zulu palette that I used before and go in with this purple and this Real Techniques brush. Is a little bigger because I want it to kind of come down a little lower. Okay, now that I added that underneath my under, I'm gonna go in with the Naked 2 palette and get the black within here and take a small tapered Morphe brush. Not tapered, don't know what it's called, but I don't know why I said that. And just go close to my inner corner. And now to add some more depth to my look and to kind of darken it up a bit, I'm gonna go in with this IT eyeliner and no tug. It's just black. It is black. Cute, sis. And now I'm gonna go in. This is the Maybelline Rocket Volume Mascara. Alright, I went ahead and highlighted my inner corners with this Wet n Wild glitter in the color Bleached. And now I'm going to highlight my face. What I do is I spray it with my setting spray. And I'm going to highlight my brows with this Becca highlighter in the color Champagne. For my lips, I'm going to line my lips with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the color 1993. Alright, and then the next lingerie in the color, it's actually just number 1. You know how that go. Alright, and that's it for the look, gang. You know how that go. I love all of y'all. Sorry, I be feeling myself. I be a whole new when I be having my makeup done.
We get lost in the night. We living in life. We don't live it twice. So, oh, yeah.